Hello guys! Today we're going to take a closer look at this DJI Mavic Pro Platinum charger I got from Amazon. It's of course 12-volt charger, standard battery plug, which fits either way on the battery. And if we do it like this, turn on the power supply. And what's interesting about this charger is that it pulls a lot of amps. 6 amps from 13 volts. That's amazing. I think this charging will go very fast. I have not taken the time of it, how long it takes, but I guess it will go twice as fast as the standard charger, because that is only 3 amps. So this is double it. But it looks like a good product. Let's come back to it and see if it gets hot or something. The LED blinks green when it's charged, and it's a solid green when the charge is full. I will let this charge for now, and I will feel it for heat, because 6 amp generates a lot of heat. So let's see how it goes. Still charging, but ampere reading has gone from 6 to 0.86. Interesting. And the temperature? Yeah. Not hot, but you can feel some heat. Seems promising so far. Okay, now charging is finished. Reading is down to 0 and everything looks good. Nothing was hot. Battery was nice to touch. This was nice to touch. This was feel a little hot, but not any problem. So all in all, and the charging went down from 5 amps to almost 0 on the end. Went slowly down. So looks like a good product.